Wondering if your fireplace is vented or ventless? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Fireplaces come in two main types: vented and ventless. Knowing which one you have can impact efficiency and safety. First, check for a chimney or vent pipes. Vented fireplaces have these features to expel gases outside. If your fireplace has a chimney or pipes leading outdoors, it's likely vented. Next, look for the absence of external vents. Ventless fireplaces don't require a chimney or vent pipes because they burn gas more efficiently. If your fireplace doesn't have these, it's probably ventless. Check your fireplace's manual or installation instructions for specific details. Additionally, consult a professional if you're unsure. For ventless fireplaces, ensure proper ventilation and regular maintenance. Install carbon monoxide detectors to keep your indoor air safe. By examining these features, you can easily determine if your fireplace is vented or ventless. Stay warm and safe.